What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to talk about today's video because honestly it's one of my favorite pieces of clothing for fall/winter seasons, and that is the flannel. Yes guys, you heard me right, I said the flannel. With these cold weathers approaching us fast, the flannel is gonna become your best friend. They're making an appearance, and if you want to kill it this fall/winter season, the flannel is a great way to go. So if you're interested, I just made 4 outfits just for y'all so y'all can kill it this season. If you're interested, let's get to it. First look that I want to share with all of y'all is the bun up flannel. How do I look? Very simple, not much to it, but definitely a classic, and it's gonna make you look very stylish. Pair it with some jeans, some sneakers, and you'll be good to go. The best part of it is that this look is very versatile. Switch flannels, switch jeans, maybe some light colored jeans, and you will still look like a badass. So try it out. What do you say? Oh, you want to step it up? Okay, I see, no problem. I like your drive. So for the next outfit, instead of wearing a bun up flannel, we're gonna switch it up. Throw on a t-shirt and wear your flannel as a layering piece. I personally like to call this look the Winchester look. For those who know the reference, you know what I mean. Simply throw in the t-shirt and use your flannel as a layering piece, and you be looking not only more rugged, more cooler, but also you be looking like a badass. For example, also switch up your sneakers. Instead of wearing sneakers, try wearing some Chelsea boots, and you just elevated that look 10 levels of the stylish game. For the next outfit, I gotta warn you, it is gonna turn some heads, and that outfit is tucking in your shirt with some dark jeans and some chukkas. This look will raise your attractiveness off the roofs, and not only that, but you also be looking like a beast. And if you're one of those people who can rock a beard, wear this outfit and you are set. You're gonna be golden, my friend. But I'll give you a little bonus. You wanna step it up another notch? Wear a leather jacket on top of it. Oof, my friend, you just entered the big leagues right now. You are gonna be one hell of an attractive guy if you pull out this style. I love it. I've pulled it at least once before, and I honestly love how badass this outfit makes me look. Last outfit that you can compose and still look very stylish with a flannel is wearing it with some chinos. Maybe you just want something different that is not the usual combination of jeans and a flannel, and that's totally fine. I get you. So I give you this alternative, and it's very easy to do, and in my opinion, it's a very dressy option to wear. Simply switch off those jeans for some chinos and tuck in your flannel. In my case, I like whenever I have to walk a lot or the weather is not the friendliest outside, I like to wear some white sneakers, but if you really want to go for the sophisticated look and professional look, you can switch it up for some boots and still look great. Hint, hint, you can still wear a leather jacket with that outfit as well, and you will still look badass. Think about it. That's it guys, those were 4 easy but very stylish outfits to compose for this fall/winter season with a simple flannel. If you liked the video or found it helpful, please leave a like up, it would be greatly appreciated. Also, while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting new videos every week just for you guys. Oh wait, and before I forget, share the video with other dudes so we can help them be on top of their game this fall/winter season. Thank you so much guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite outfit to compose with a flannel? I would love to know what your stylish outfits will look this fall, and maybe I can get some inspiration from you guys. My name is Silev. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.